today's video ay ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-register sa eGov.ph gamit ang inyong phone. So kung may iPhone kayo, click ang App Store, and then kung Android phone naman ay Google Play Store, and then search for eGov.ph. Download nyo lang eGov.ph and then click open. And then click create new account. So dito, enter nyo lang first name nyo, unang pangalan, and then middle name, and then last name. Kung may suffix kayo, yan yung junior, senior, the first, the third, ganyan-ganon. Kung wala, NA lang. And then kung wala naman kayong middle name, just click the I have no middle name option. And then after nyo enter lahat ng information, click ang create new account. And then magsasend sila ng one-time code. So check nyo lang kung ano yun na code, and then copy-paste lang. And then paste na dito ang code, or generated na yung code sa inyong mga phone. And then enter your mobile number. Yun yung mobile number na gagamitan natin sa mga transaction. And then click next. Magsasend na naman sila ng OTP sa inyong phone. After enter, select your MPIN. So yung MPIN, yun yung parang code na gagamitin ninyo to open your account. So dapat kayo lang ang nakakaalam ng inyong MPIN. Huwag nyong ipagsabi sa iba, guys, kasi ma-open din nila yung account ninyo kung alam nila yung MPIN ninyo. So click next. And then re-enter lang yung MPIN to make sure na ikaw talaga yung naglalagay kanina. And then, next. Ayan na. Congratulations, you have successfully created your account. And then click OK. Allow. And then continue. So guys, hindi pa natatapos dyan lahat kasi need pa natin i-verify ang inyong account. So click verify account. Verify now. Itong sa baba. To get full access to all e-government services, get verified now. Para makita ninyo yung, or ma-download ninyo ang inyong digital ID as well as yung mga SSS and other IDs. So click verify now. After clicking verify now, just enter your citizenship kung ikaw ay Filipino, and then the same information, first, middle, and last name. Date of birth, that would be a month, and then day, and then year. After ninyo ma-enter yung birthday, click save, and then click next. After nun ay sa current address na kayo, input your complete current address. So yan, Philippines, and then state or province na niya, city or municipality, barangay, and then street name, address line 2, optional lang yan, at saka ang postal code. Depende na yun sa inyo kasi optional nga. Confirm information, make sure the details are all correct. Kung hindi correct, you can click edit details para naman ma-edit nyo muna bago i-save. And then click next. After click next, ito na yon. Add your e-signature. After nyo ma-add, click ang continue, and then confirm signature. At ito na nga guys, take live selfie. So dapat avoid wearing cap, multiple faces, avoid using filter. So dapat yung face nyo within the circle. Use enough lighting, and para sa mga brothers and sisters natin na Muslim, you can wear hijab. And then click lang ang tap to launch camera kasi guys, ito na yung gagamitin nila para sa picture ninyo sa ID. And then click allow. Ayun na nga guys, kung happy ka na, click ang yes, I'm happy. Please wait na lang. Ayun na, congratulations, your account has been verified, and then click OK. So yun na nga guys, wait lang. Your digital NBA clearance has been generated. Kasi guys, nag-try ako kapon ko ng NBA clearance. So, makikita pala nila. So, ito na yung application guys. And then, click nyo lang yung account niyo para ma-verify kung tama yung mga information. So guys, for the next video ay tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-generate ng digital ID. So keep watching and I hope you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have questions pala, just comment sa comment section and I will answer your inquiries. Thank you guys. Bye-bye!